then general request mails to, I mean, these public sector banks means we are sending it to CMDs, and we will be sending these other like in BCC, all the banks which are supporting us, operating us, we're operating in this microfinance segment, either directly, indirectly, whatever way. So we'll be sending it to them. So it is to tell them that please expedite, because the time is not in our hand. Although there is one indication that the time may be extended, but still it is this. And then in case of your reaching to the unreached geographies, we had a meeting in of Manipur members with SBI, and they have sent told us to send a proposal. So we can the other members, they are working on it, and we possibly on in Friday we'll be doing it. There is another one which we are doing is Jammu and Kashmir. So either next month or next to next month, there will be a meeting between NBFCs and Jammu Kashmir's trade something something. So they are the nodal agency over there. So this is one. And then what else? Acha. Then we have sent a mail to your DFS for creation of contributory credit guarantee fund. So we will be meeting them soon. After that, we didn't get chance to meet him, but very soon we'll be meeting him. He's the JS. So this is one, and rest Devender will tell about housing, and Sangeeta will update us on Nomnar and your this. Anything, if I have missed anything, please do let me know, huh? So Sangeeta, if you can start.
देवेंद्र अपडेट करेगा अपना ना। देवेंद्र पहले अपडेट कीजिए।
अच्छा देवेंद्र, you do it.
No, Devendra, you do not have to show now. You do
Not have to show now. First, you have to update what in your portfolio, what have you done.
So good afternoon all. As far as the next level of activity, like what we have been doing in the month of May, and what was the outcome of that various activities. I hope I'm audible, because I think it is.
Yes, you are audible.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. So I will touch upon 3-4 areas where I've been working. One of the topic will be like training of civil service officers. So this is one of my area of work. So we have one training. We have got some invitation from Tripura Administration Staff College, and we are going to have this presentation on financial inclusion on microfinance on 4th of June. So next week we are going to meet various new inducted officers from Tripura. Around 75 officers are expected to participate in that session. Apart from that, in the month of June also we have one invitation from Rajasthan Academy, where we are invited again once more. So early in the 2024 we were invited for induction training of the civil service officers of Rajasthan, but this time around the same batches will be there, but it will be a foundational training for all those officers who were there last time around. Apart from that, next month we are planning to have one kind of engagement again with Labasna and also with Bihar. So we are looking forward to have one session with Labasna and in Bihar, and also we are following up with a few key states like Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh. And yesterday I just had an interaction with Andhra Pradesh course director, and he was very eager to know about Sa-Dhan, and he checked all the website of ours because I was in the call, and when I was trying to tell him about our nature of work, Sa-Dhan's nature of work, and she just at that point of time, she was trying to navigate to our website Sa-Dhan. So what Devinder is doing, what the Sa-Dhan is doing. So she was about to know about the activities of Sa-Dhan, like various departments, and she was very happy to know that Sa-Dhan is doing many things. Apart from this training of civil service officers, we are in the presently we are also doing some fund facilitation for the microfinance institutions. So we have already drafted a letter for the top 20 PSU banks, and also we have 7-8 private sector banks with whom we'll be sharing the letter soon. So by EOD, we are going to send to all the top-notch banks across the country. So this was the basic thing that I wanted to share with you all. And apart from that, housing microfinance. Yesterday we had a Gigi sir and Saibal sir had a good meeting with the MD of NHB. Sri Sanjay Sukla was the MD, and he was very optimistic about like how the housing microfinance can do good for the low income borrowers. So he has shared that if sorry. Okay. So he was a very. So there was some sound is coming, sir. From
I think my one.
yes, sir. So yesterday we had a meeting with the NHB MD Sanjay Sukla, and he was very optimistic about how we are going ahead with this housing microfinance, and he wanted to have some kind of engagement with MFIs, especially we were expected to list down 4 MFIs who will be key, like who will be interested in going for a pilot in next 3-4 months, and we are working very hard on that. So Habitat as well as Sa-Dhan are jointly working in tandem, and we are also organizing some event, capacity building workshop in the month of August. So possibly it will be a 2 days of workshop that will be probably it will be held in the city of Mumbai. So this is about my core area of works. Apart from that, we have been engaging with various other like we are engaged with various other activities also. So this is from my side. So I will request Sangeeta ma'am or Sir Saibal sir if you have any questions.
No, I need to update you people on this housing that what MD has told that he wants to do a pilot, and the pilot should be like he will organize the money like around 9%, and the MFIs shall extend the loan by 14% or 15% to the end borrowers. So this is what they are telling. And then we have identified like 4-5 institutions: Sangamitra, Pahel, Annapurna, Swasti, and Credit Access. So Sangamitra has agreed, Credit Access has agreed, and rest of they are we are trying to get them as well. But Swasti told that their operation cost of operation is very high. It is around 11%. So it won't be possible by 5-6%. So Arun was suggesting go for some deeper pockets. Pocketed institutions will be better for us. But we have identified those kind of institutions only. We have kept in our bucket is are your Belstar, Ashirwad, and Save Microfinance. Although I do not want to go for Save because there are a lot of confusion in Save's this year portfolio. So, एक second.
হ্যালো ওই যে পোর্টারতে ও এই যে বললো একটু 200 টাকা নিয়ে গেল আমাকে বললো আপনাকে তুমি ওকে বলো যে ঠিক আছে আমি কি করে যেতে
So this is the update from this side. Annapurna seems to be positive, but he told me he will be coming back. We need some deeper pocketed institutions also to make it like around 500-600 loans. And yeah, that's one. And this account aggregator, we have organized 3 workshops already. One in this your Delhi, another in Kolkata, another one in Bangalore. So these account aggregators, in this account aggregators uh, thing, some suggestions has come up. So we will develop a note. Then we will send it to Ministry of Finance and also this your Reserve Bank of India. So Reserve Bank of India has a separate wing. One CGM is there who is looking after that. So we will send it to them and then let us take it forward. That way, where are we standing? What are the challenges? Why? How government can intervene? And one of the things I could understand that for the smaller MFIs it could be expensive. Although our this colleague from your this he was telling that it is not that costly. ठीक है संगीता.
हाँ, so good afternoon, everybody. So, like, there is no webinar, like capacity building में. Unmute. So, good afternoon, everybody. So, the capacity building से शुरू करती हूँ. Like, there is no webinar this month. We had webinar from SRO team, so we didn't have. Then there is something going on along with action about a module design for the capacity building of the field officials, senior field officials. Ultimately, it will go to the borrowers. So we are doing this with Sindhuja and Satin. For that, we had a field visit to Hapur to know what kind of digital aptitude these have. So based on that, they are designing some small video clips, which will be kind of provided to the field officials to be transferred to the ultimate borrowers. So that is one. Then the second thing is NIBM ka training it is happening on July 9th and 10th. So we have already spoken to Muthoot, Jana, FWWB, ISAF, and Asirvad also for some sponsorship. So far FWWB has sponsored one person, and Muthoot is indicating that they will be sending say 2-3 people from their senior team. And so far we have like Nirja madam, Nafins है ना? हाँ, Nafins, she will be attending. Another person also will be attending from them. Then ये अरूप किसका है? No. DCCB है ना? Dosa. From there, 2 people will be joining. So far we have about 6 members, 6 applicants for this program. So we need to have say 26 to 30 members. So I request all of you to reach out to the CEOs and the CXOs who will be the potential candidates for this program. Then for IIBF, this is the basics of microfinance. The certification program happened in April, every quarter, first week and second week and fourth week. The first week and fourth week it happens. So this April, about 44 candidates appeared the exam and 33 passed out, which is roughly 75%. And total it has been like 582 members so far have applied. 400 odd have appeared the exam, and 300 something have passed out. So it is coming to 75%. So this also you can kind of advertise amongst the field officials to take that certification. This month, no code of conduct training happened, no workshops. Then coming to the re-imaging microfinance, in that we have put this data insight and research also, knowledge building too. So Tripura study is going on, that is about assessing and enhancing microfinance initiatives in Tripura. Uska study is going on. So we is involved in that. देन नॉट फॉर प्रॉफिट का डेटा अपलोड जो क्रेडिट रजिस्ट्री है, वी हैव पार्टनर्ड विथ Recordent, one company. So they have a credit registry in which not for profit institutions can upload their data, and this is the high time when we are suggesting to Recordent to have synchronized data so that they can have data from the Equifax. So far Equifax has the not for profit ka data, afterwards so it will not have. So it will be better if they synchronize with some concept and get both the data, for profit and not for profit, so that it will be available for the not for profit to reference that data. So if some say some Parvati Singh has taken two loans from the not for profit and one loan from the for profit, then it will be visible for the not for profit MFI with their data upload. So that mechanism is there with Recordent. So we are inviting Recordent also to our not for profit का जो workshop है कलकत्ता में, so that they can give a presentation and explain more about it. And then fund facilitation में one major thing is like NSFDC has asked, like they have proposed to their board that they will be given around 50 crores or so to the small, 50 crores to 100 crores to the small MFIs. So that will be approved this month only, May ka. Then like small MFIs, we can send their application to them for them to scrutinize and extend these loans, because they are open now to give to the small MFIs छोटा छोटा amount. Then there is another organization called INX, like NSEIX. There is INX is there in the gift city itself. So we are working with them to for that bond. We will pull all the small MFIs ka portfolio, and that mechanism we are working with them. So they have asked for say some वो special vehicle ना SPV चाहिए, because if they will issue, that issuer of bond will transfer that bond to that SPV, and then the distribution will happen, and it happens in foreign currency, not in Indian rupees. So that mechanism we are working out with them. Then member support में no
What this with your insurance?
हाँ हाँ आ रही हूँ नीचे, वो ग्रुप वाइज रखा है ना. एंड देन फॉर प्रॉफिट का संकल्प में जो फीडबैक फॉर्म आया था उसका एनालिसिस किया हुआ है अभी. रिपोर्ट कंप्लीटेड है, आज ही कंप्लीट किया है, एंड इट हैज बीन सेंट टू जीजी सर एंड सेबल. इफ बोथ ऑफ देम अप्रूव देन आई विल सर्कुलेट इट टू ऑल ऑफ यू. देन इसका क्या है ESG का like we need to extend. I have already prepared a log frame about the roadmap ahead. So basically it will be awareness about ESG, and also the basically a format like which is aligning to SEBI format, like BRSR है कि anything similar to that, so that our MFIs will be up to date with the ESG reporting. Right now, it is not required for the small MFIs, okay, but the awareness has to be built from right now. And then the और क्या है, हाँ, then the product innovation में parametric insurance का proposal already has been submitted long back in October. Is there a question? Okay. So parametric कौन है, आप बंद कर. हाँ, so अक्टूबर में सबमिट हो गया था. लाइक दे आर गोइंग थ्रू सम ट्रांजिशन, सम वर्कप्लेस का चल रहा है उनका, so that they are taking time. It will not affect the outcome of that proposal. Sooner or later we are going to get the outcome of that project. So it will be with Midland, Pahel, and Dwara MFIs for the initial stage for the implementation. We can have also technical assistance with 2 more MFIs. So we need to identify that. So that will be along 4 products. 4 products will be designing. ये flood है, rain है, extra heat है, drought है, all those. Then parametric insurance में at last emergency health product में at last Vedika has agreed to disburse the loan. So far we have disbursed 11 applications as like this is the update. इस महीने मिल जाएगा like till next week we will get say 50 disbursement will happen, and this is happening in Bihar के different districts में. Then coming to policy और क्या है इंटरनेशनल इनिशिएटिव में नॉमनार में like we have designed this brochure design किया है. Then for a 2-pager note we have sent to ADB, and ADB also has kind of directing us to the relevant department. We have sent a mail to them. So we will do some fundraising about running this secretariat of Nomnar here. We can have like we have budgeted something and we will propose that to them. So it is subjected to their openness about what support they will extend to us. And also a short term and long term mid term plan भी उनके लिए बना के तो रखा है, but that needs to be decided in the quarterly meetings. So far the biggest achievement in this is the like fixation of this quarterly meeting. Like last year क्या हुआ था कि 2 ही meetings हो गए, 3 meeting हो गए including the conference वाला meeting. So this year we have all agreed to have a quarterly meeting so that decisions will be quick in whatever we are deciding.
I think Euro is done now.
Okay.
Yeah.
So more or less from this side, these are updates. If you have any questions, I think to if you are. So if you have, let me see your if you have any questions, you can ask us. Otherwise, we can start our like regional police update. So your update will be
Your update would be that what did you do in these last 2 months, and what are the things you have observed on the ground, and what are the things we will be we have to work on 2-3 issues if you can identify around policy, then you're around your product, around your capacity building. These are the areas, and also what are the challenges have you seen? Then Devender, will you be able to show that one, that quarterly one? Before just give in 2-3 minutes, if you can just show it. And so we have during our Chintan meeting, we put together this your quarterly plan, what you have written to us, we have put together. So this will be. Next. पिछले वाला दिखाओ. So MOF we have already done. Other ministries, no NABARD DFIs. So Devender, we have to organize this year a meeting with NABARD and SIDBI half yearly. So I think it would be better if you do it in Q2 and Q4. Q2 and Q4, April, May, June. Q2 and Q4, हाँ पार्लियामेंट ये ठीक है. Next. So working group has been developed and we have meeting with this NHP and MORD we are yet to, but in NHP there is this movement we have already told you, updated you. Then next. Yeah, this is the one. So in Q2 they were like Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Bihar, UP, West Bengal and Odisha. We have put like this member meet.
तो Q1 में छत्तीसगढ़ हो गई है सर, और बिहार और यूपी में एक कर लेंगे हम लोग. Q1 में एक और करेंगे जून में, इधर बिहार और यूपी.
Okay. And in Maharashtra and Odisha also.
Maharashtra we can also do, sir.
बट सर जून का डेट सर थोड़ा जल्दी दे दीजिएगा सर.
ठीक. Maharashtra and your Bihar.
यूपी और बिहार.
West Bengal, somehow we have done it after our this. It was not a big affair. After our account aggregator, more or less we have got 2 CEOs and other senior representatives from the members over there, members working over there. I think it is more or less achieved, but we may think of something. So West Bengal and.
So for West Bengal, I don't think that. I mean, again, we need to organize a member meet at least in this.
In this quarter,
first quarter and the second quarter as well, depending on the situation. That if anything comes, then we can organize. Either we can go for a virtual meet later on, because as you were rightly pointed out that after that AA workshop, that conversation we got some information and what is the ground status that we came to know from there. So I don't see any requirement now, but definitely we can organize one possibly in June or July in Odisha. In June, July, I'm thinking to organize 2. One is in Odisha, another one is in Jharkhand. So these 2 we need to organize.
Okay.
And since AGM is also in Kolkata, so all the members will be, at least West Bengal members, CEOs will be there. So this is supplementing our specific statement.
Singh sir will be there, HP Singh. Then Vineet won't be there. Vineet will send someone, but Vineet won't be there. Regional conference, not. It's not possible in this quarter. I don't think so.
नहीं, इस क्वार्टर में, नेक्स्ट क्वार्टर में करेंगे सर. We have to shift it in Q2. बट सर उसके लिए हमको कहाँ करना है अभी ये डिसीजन नहीं हुआ, और कितना फंड किस स्केल पे करना है. Would it be a kind of state workshop or regional level?
तुमने तो नॉर्थ जोन बोला था.
हाँ, नॉर्थ जोनल लेवल करेंगे ना सर. देन ठीक ठाक खर्चा भी होगा उसमें. जैसे चंडीगढ़ में हम लोगों ने किया था तो 8-10 लाख रुपए खर्च हुआ था उसमें. वो रेस किया जाएगा सर, उसके लिए रेस करना होगा.
Account aggregator, we have done it. Account aggregator, we have done. Next one. training of LDMs, how many have we done?
एक अभी इस फाइनेंशियल में तो नहीं हुई शायद सर, जून में मेरी एक है यूपी।
Sir, this week
Devendra?
we have Rajasthan one, 29 morning.
So there's a certain challenges like for when we are following up with the LDM, sir. So I followed up with the LDM of West Bengal and Jharkhand also. So they've shared that since it is not possible for if you can request RBI to nominate Sa-Dhan to conduct any kind of virtual meeting. So I think I've also shared in the group also regarding this. So especially in the eastern region, I'm getting this kind of response. Otherwise, when we followed up with the Punjab and Haryana, we didn't have any issues. Also in western state, we are not having any kind of problem with LDM virtual orientation. So when it comes to West Bengal, Odisha, Jharkhand, so slightly there is a problem. And can we have any kind of a written note from RBI so that we can orient LDM?
Actually, Devendra, what is the modus operandi? We have to request to concern SLBC. They would be sending the mail to respective regional office of RBI. हमको डायरेक्टली आरबीआई से कोई कम्युनिकेशन कराने की जरूरत नहीं है। अगर वो ऐसा बोलते तो आप एसएलबीसी को
No, I think there is also a problem in communication. शायद हम लोग को बोलना पड़ेगा कि when you are organizing any training, if you can give us training or meeting, if you can give us 1 hour or so, 1 hour or so for orientation. Possibly, if we go through this line, then it will work. Because I mean, in every state, everywhere, the same approach will work. It is not like that. So possibly in these states we have to tell. But in West Bengal, Shobhik, how good is the relationship with you? SLBC?
Balwinder Singh is the current convener. It's a good, I mean, we have a good rapport with him. Anytime we can meet him, he comes to our events and all. Like if you remember that technology event in Kolkata. So that is there. I don't know why he has said so that I need to get approval from RBI and all. Let me meet him. We'll meet him maybe in coming days in June. So again, we can try to convince him to organize this.
If you talk to him over phone, will it work?
Yeah, it may, but seems, I mean, he has already taken a stand. I think physically meeting him and convincing him will be good. Over the phone, maybe you will not be able to sense that, I mean, what he is apprehensive about. So,
Indian friend. Okay.
no issue that I will take care.
Okay.
Sir, I have to. Yes, sir.
No, you do not have to. You have to wait for a while. Let us finish this meeting. Ambarish, you have to talk to this MP's SLBC, right? For organizing this training of LDM in Chhattisgarh.
छत्तीसगढ़ हाँ, कंट्रोलिंग ऑफिस उनका एमपी है।
So have you talked to them?
सर मैंने नहीं एमपी में बात नहीं किया मैंने सर, छत्तीसगढ़ वाली एसएलबीसी को एक फॉर्मल मेल भेजेंगे।
नहीं फॉर्मल मेल क्या, तुमने बोला कि उसका कंट्रोलिंग ऑफिसर है आपका एमपी, तो वी हैव टू टॉक टू एमपी. So if Mahtab can talk to this your MP's SLBC,
Mr. Mishra is here, sir. I'll connect with Amrit ji so that you can take it forward.
Right. This is one, and also take a next one. One thing that we have to beef up our endeavor to get more participants in our NIBM training, and it has to be senior officers. All 4-5 of yours, we have to do it.
So when it is scheduled, sir, I think it is scheduled in the July month.
I think Sangeeta, it is in July, right? NIBM. Please be in meeting. July 9, July 9, 10th. July 9th and 10th. And HR conclave, Bill Lovely also is the state initiative. HR conclave. Karthik,
what is your
this
Yes,
one,
sir.
this HR conclave? Oh,
So HR conclave, sir, like we're planning to do, sir. Like maybe if you're available, we can plan it in Kerala, sir, in July, with the focus on training and development, sir.
mm,
So July, if we can provide a date, sir. So
mm,
we can organize this along with we can also have
member meet.
a member meet also, sir.
Mm, mm, mm,
So you can give a date on in July, sir. So we can start planning, sir. July
mm.
maybe
And
second half of July, sir.
right. I was also thinking about these TOTs of the uh, training heads, because most of them, they are not aware how to do the trainings, they do trainings, but it is like orienting this your these colleagues on the products and everything, but they are not very much aware or very much what do you call it, like oriented with the trainings of TOT. So I was thinking to taste the water, at least organizing one training for the heads of this training heads of this institution. Please keep it in mind if we can organize this one. I will also talk to NABARD if they can collaborate with us. WARD, ESG awareness, it has to be structured. It is going on. Next one, Devinder. फंड फैसिलिटेशन. हाँ, तो ये तो हो गया बैंकर्स लेंडर्स लिंक. ये
Sir,
हाँ
Sohail sir,
हाँ
see
सर.
regarding the CGS MFI,
हाँ हाँ.
all mid-size, small-size MFIs are asking for like update in terms of like whether this timeline will be extended or not.
I mean,
So
there
is
is a
there any update?
possibility of extending. There is a possibility of extending the time. Yesterday, day before yesterday, I was talking to NCGTC. He was telling that let us start doing this one. It is not getting started. Let us start this one. Possibly there we have to also write. They have actually written. They have actually written to government that it has the timeline has to be extended. So they have done it.
So from bank side, sir, why they are taking so much time? Since they do
There are
have
two,
already
three things. There are two, three things happening. First thing that some banks, they are yet to come with their own rules and regulations. Even SBI also, they are they have got the this your approval in principle. So this is where they are stuck. And second thing, I was talking to one bank. They told that we are doing it. I think PNB or something. They were telling that we have come up with this one. It has also got approved, but the problem is that we are not getting right kind of institutions. So we have sent them the list of our MFIs. They are working on it. So major glitch is that one.
So the new notification, if you see, sir, this
Hmm.
Digambar guys once again called me,
Hmm.
like whether it will be only for like large size NBFC more than 2,000 crore or 3,000 crore AUM.
No, there is certain percentage for the under 500 crore, then 500 to 2000 crore and 2000 and above. So it is not for only the big MFIs, it is also for the smaller MFIs. And smaller MFIs, their portfolio is so small that within this percentage, they can get adequate fund. But Mata, we have to organize your this bankers link, bankers lenders link.
So
हमारा
bankers
इस
lenders
क्वार्टर
link, bankers
हमारे इस क्वार्टर में
lenders
हुआ
link.
नहीं है.
Hmm.
इंडिविजुअल लिंक्स ना, इंडिविजुअल मीटिंग्स.
Oh no. So we tried to have it with IOB and Yes Bank, sir.
हाँ.
So as I was updated you regarding Yes Bank, they were telling to have as a physical meeting. So yes, so maybe this next month and like next 2 months we will be doing for 4 5 individual meeting with banks.
हम्म ठीक है नेक्स्ट वन दिस इज फॉर नॉमनार ठीक है टू स्टेट लेवल हाँ देवेंद्र we have to also discuss this your study in Punjab. Ambaris, you have to talk to NABARD that if we can do float a study, a state level study on microfinance in Punjab.
पंजाब आरो ठीक है सर
ठीक है नाउ यू स्टार्ट हमने तो देख लिया है हमारा क्या क्या बाकी है who will start
sir, I'll start, sir.
Okay.
So last month, sir, you had visited like members in Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and Karnataka. So overall, sir, we see the collection efficiency has improved. Now most of the MFIs report 99.8% in most of the states. Except Telangana, there is slight dip like 98%. So it is also improving, but no, it is around 98%. So regarding this Gulf issue, sir, like we thought like there would be some impact in Kerala, where the lot of people migrate, and also certain pockets of Tamil Nadu also we were thinking. But then in field, what we see is not much impact is there because of this Gulf crisis. Not from field, what we see is not many have come back, returned from Gulf. And also these people who work there are a bit well off, so like there is not much impact on the repayments because of that. But in Tamil Nadu, we see in certain pockets because of increase in cotton prices, there is some impact in urban pockets of Coimbatore and like Tirupur, where a lot of textile related work is there. So only in those urban pockets, some stress is seen in the repayments, sir. Otherwise, in rural areas of these districts, the repayments are all quite good. Not much
So
impact.
what is the issue of cotton?
The cotton prices have increased now, so it has increased a lot. So because of that, sir, like people who used to do have small looms and all, so they are not able to purchase and
buy
buy and do, sir. So because of that, they are telling like their livelihoods are impacted. So that is there, sir. So that is only in the urban pocket, sir. Since microfinance is mostly rural concentrated, so we don't see much stress in repayments. That it is not reflecting in repayments. So other major thing is the heat wave, sir. So in southern states, AP and Telangana has been impacted by heat waves much. So we see like some difficulties for borrowers, for the staff also to so visit frequently and collect. We need to see, sir, how this goes. In case the heat waves persist, I think there may be some stress and repayments seen in AP Telangana, sir. So we need to see, sir, how it turns out in next 2-3 weeks. So we are having a close watch on that, sir. Otherwise, regarding this credit guarantee scheme, like most of the MFIs, they have said all of them over it contacted, they not received it, sir. Those banks themselves have contacted MFIs and asked them to submit applications, but still, no, sir, it is in process only. None of them have received it yet. And also, sir, like other thing is like like Kerala and Tamil Nadu, the new state governments have been formed. So now once sir, like the profile, the portfolios and all are being allocated. So once it stabilizes, I think next 1-2 months we'll plan to visit the secretaries and the chief secretary also in these two states, especially when we visit there in our meeting. So that is something we have kept, sir. So other than that, as you know, we had organized this product conclave in Tamil Nadu. It had got a good response, sir. I think now we need to take that forward, sir. Like many of the NBFCs who are product focused NBFCs, they are interested in partnering with MFIs, like in BC model or in co-lending model. So that we need to take it forward, sir, and see how we can facilitate that. I think that facilitation would be very helpful in helping MFIs to diversify, sir. That is one area I think we can definitely work together and see how we can take it forward. So other than that, we organized client sensation programs in Tamil Nadu, sir. So we have like in next 3 months we'll be doing around 5 programs in AP, Karnataka, and Kerala, sir. In association with MFIs. And we also organized three sensation programs for we have facilitated sensation of 3 batches of RBI staff in RBI Staff Training College in Chennai. And with this pretty small MFI, sir, one of the members called Sitaplus, woman based out of Trichy. So they were having a good portfolio. So they were having around 50-60 crores portfolio. Now it has drawn down to around 25 crores portfolio, sir. They were having a partnership with CSB and Avanti. So Avanti, they are telling Avanti themselves are having difficulties in funding. There is some stress in funding from Avanti side itself. They themselves are not receiving funding yet. Seems that one big proposal from SBI is still pending for Avanti. So because of that, they are also not able to, allocate resources to the partners. And also they also had a partnership with CSB, sir. But CSB, like they have very strict appraisal system wherein they're telling the conversion is not happening. Hardly 5-10% of the conversion is happening. So because of that, their portfolio has reduced drastically, sir. So they were telling like,
what's the name of the institution? What's the name of the MFI?
Sita Plus, sir. Sita Plus Consultancy. So
Sita Plus.
they are women was our major. They were.
I mean, see, it is in Kerala, right? Tamil Nadu, okay. So, Sangeeta, if you can, I mean, tell them to talk to Sangeeta. Sangeeta, if you can talk to Kesa, they are looking for this one as it is South India based, possibly there will be some chance for that. Tell them to talk to. Okay. That what's the portfolio? Like you this what's the like your BC portfolio of this your what do you call it? This Tamil Nadu based SFB? Equator. What's the portfolio? No. Together is the so what is the what's the portfolio? Do they do BC? अच्छा ठीक है perfectly fine. Perfectly fine. So is it a training program, your small studies, what exactly we are looking for? I will go to that one. Training program. Uh, 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 uh. So, Karthik, what are the areas can we do? One, what is coming in my mind that can we do the training of trainers there? In South India, we do have many institutions and they have the training heads and also in the state level they have training heads. Hmm. And anything around your place, operation side? Yeah. Uh, appraisal of this your bigger ticket size. Ah, ah, ah. Hmm. 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 I was thinking in around September will it be going? Hmm. 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 Okay. What you point out for that, we have to talk to departments, right? Uh-huh. Hmm. 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 Just one minute, please. Please tell. I mean, any kind of, so we got a lot of things in your suggestion that we can undertake. One of the areas we are not getting that any policy related things into larger policy. So the going on. Hmm. 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 Of anything related to GC or anything related to climate. Please let me know. Sure. Hmm. Hmm. So we have done one on this climate financing, sustainable financing. We have done one, and in 1 2 months we will do another one. There is one insurance initiative in Philippines. Philippines is all. And because Philippines are where?
Laos.
Laos. So we will tell them to present it for the other countries. That what is the going on. Right. Uh, uh, so you will get very much. Why? वहाँ पर लॉगिन था थोड़ा बैठना चाहिए नहीं था नहीं था ठीक है बताओ ठीक है ओ अच्छा तुम्हारा एक हैंड गया ठीक जून में मेंबर भी था क्या हाँ एलियन ट्रेनिंग तुम्हारा है
और सर एक छत्तीस का हुआ है सी भी लेगी मैंने
I wanted to ask you that one. Have you drafted the mail? We need to send a mail. But we need to send them a mail. No?
और जुलाई में इसका कॉन्फ्रेंस नॉट सो तकलीफ तो एक्सेस टू द वर्क कहां शुरू की जाए बिहार में अगर
23.
But Ambarish, let us wait for a while. Why I'm telling this one? कि credit guarantee से कुछ पैसा आने दो सेक्टर में ना, then we can tell our members to sponsor it. But बड़े का तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, सैटिंग का, नबार्ड का, इन लोगों का तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. Right. I started working on it. Then in between, your CGF ना परेशान करते रहते हैं.
स्टडी कमीशन करने के लिए मिला है देश कैसे तो हम स्केल करेंगे साधन में क्या करना हमारे जैसे नेक्स्ट सेम स्टेट कमीशन करने
ठीक है. Any policy issue we have to take up. वो क्या दफन हो गया ये तुम्हारा, ये सीएम ने इसको साइन बैक किया है कि नहीं किया? ये तुम्हारा बोलो जीविका का क्या कराया है? The major problem is not that one. ये जीविका has been developed on the experience of AP, right? Now AP started because these SHGs were getting broken and they were getting the funds from this MFI. Bihar is actually worried about that.
Training from Nabar, from इसके अलावा बिल कर देंगे इस नंबर डिस्क्रिप्शन तो क्या सब को बना बिल्डिंग के प्रोग्राम नंबर के लिए डिफरेंट एनजीओ सब एक्सेस ऑन नंबर
तो नबार्ड क्या करेगा इसमें? नबार्ड क्या करेगा इसमें? No, but in that case, these room settings are also there, no? To train. But room settings. We are not going to give training. We are not going to give training as SHGs one, if it is not project. ये तो हमारा जो client है उसका training करना चाहिए skill building के ऊपर. Doubts. ठीक है, देखते हैं, ठीक है। ये कोऑपरेटिव स्टडी किसने बोला? अच्छा।
और वो सर बहुत चेंज हो गया है तो एक होटल आए हैं।
अरे बाप रे, you don't know that's a big time problem for us. वो जो इसका त्रिपुरा का जो स्टडी हो रहा था ना, तो त्रिपुरा का स्टडी में they told that it is sanctioned, we got the mail, but they told that we have to apply through your portal. So we have, so then we started doing it. Sangeeta spent 2 whole days to upload the data and everything. It didn't work out at the end. Then your NABARD told that give us this password. We are doing it from our end. Okay, fine. It has gone. Now we need advance. Once again, we were trying to do it. It didn't work out. And once again, we had to give them password. They are the ones who have done it from the side. This is where it is standing. It is good, but it should work, na? Maybe like with the experience, it will work. तुम्हारे उधर का रीपेमेंट कैसा है? So there are two studies. One is Chhattisgarh study, another one is Poker study. So all the product development, all these things, it will come with this sector development. Lucky. So lucky, so migration ठीक है। तो तुम्हारा जून में है तुम्हारा मेंबर मीट एंड एलडीएम ट्रेनिंग इन जुलाई में पॉसिबली रीजनल कॉन्क्लेव। तो ठीक है, ठीक है, और ठीक है, ठीक है। Any significant thing have you seen on the ground that मतलब इंटरेस्ट में your voice is breaking. We are losing you. हाँ हाँ आ रही है। Okay. So ultimately we are seeing that good mechanism needs to bring once again, bring back. Yes. Just involves this let me तो ठीक है सर अभी अभी 350 देखिए जो बात करते हैं उससे किसी आप लिक्विडिटी अच्छा, one thing, Rajesh, has Rajesh moved out? Rajesh had a stake also, no? बाप रे, ठीक है। हाँ। What is this? What is this? हाँ जी, क्या? हाँ 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 हाँ। अच्छा, ठीक ठीक। ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच। Who will be the next? Please talk. Hmm. 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 Has the principal secretary moved? Has the principal secretary moved? हाँ हाँ. Earlier also Manoj something was there, right? Manoj Patra.
ये बंगाली को ले लीजिए।
Hmm. Hmm. It will come under membership sector development, right? Hmm. Hmm. That's your BARD association with BARD. Okay. Hmm. We can, what we can do that we can bring this head of the product in the meeting, and also we can bring some this your product side like housing, water and sanitation, this kind of resource person in a smaller way. We can in a smaller way we can do it. और बाढ़ को बोलना थोड़ा सा पैसा बढ़ा दे. No, I mean tell them that if they can increase it. So, I think that's it. Where do you want to do this product from? No. So 4 programs you are talking about. That one is in August, then. Okay. Hmm. 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 One we can think of is the risk management side, right? And what I was also. Hmm. 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 Brief about it. Any policy related thing to our scene, that one so I can. Hmm. 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 But so one thing that if they are giving higher ticket size loan also, they have to put 60% in their this your qualifying asset, right? Big, no, that's a big one. But how are they managing it? Managing means you have to percentage on the percent. Hmm. 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 What did you tell? I couldn't get it. To avoid the there is some problem. Okay. Okay. You are on leave. Are you prepared for this one, this meeting? Okay. Okay. Mhm. 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 One thing what we have to do possibly is once again, revising our contact. There are some changes, those changes are happened, so please update it. Mhm. Mhm. July will be too loaded. July will be too loaded, but if we are, but the monsoon will come. Hmm. 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 So one thing that I would suggest whenever you are going to the field, no, whenever you are going to the field, talking to the member, there are two three things possibly we have to figure out. One area is apart from our these NBFC related policies, what are the other policies that are impacting them? The sector we need to identify. Then here also, we need to also identify that any your structural study has to be done or not. Like when we are seeing that this your group mechanism and your individual. So there was a seat, there was like your uh, state-based interventions were there. Couple of institutions have done well. Couple of institutions they couldn't do properly. Then many of this, like Shobhik was telling, no, oh, Karthi, this year Ambarish was telling that L&T is given 5% rebate to bring them in group. Then Satin is also focusing, Satya is also focusing on group. They want to bring back this group. There is a shift once again. They are both, I mean, group to individual, and once again we are seeing that individual to groups are happening. So what is going on in the field? Possibly, if you can have a greater understanding, will be good. A kind of small study also we can do if it is possible. The shift in the models of microfinance. Even when we are talking about this, you're working with BARD, we can talk to BARD. Actually, BARD is doing something. BARD is doing a study in 6 states in 6 districts. One is impact assessment. Another one is small MFI, the problem of fundraising of the smaller MFI. So they are doing the study. We have sent them whatever data they have required. So we have 10,000 things. But keep your eyes open and also ask whenever you're going to the field, please to ask cross questions to bring real stories. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. So what we were seeing in two states that they have given a kind of leeway that either you can be in group or you can pay digitally. Now what happens that it has increased their cost of operation. So earlier this loan officer or whoever was going once in fortnight or twice in one 4 times in month, whatever they have to develop, or once in month. Now they have to go at least 3 times. So these women, they are not repaying. So they call them, they are not budging. Then they have to go and they have to get the repayment. So this is also the story. So I'm just trying to understand what is the step. What is the step? Hmm. No, digitally, no, they have given this chance for digital repayment, but they are not repaying digitally. They are not, and you go there, you do the follow, then only they will come. I mean, the money will come. So they have to go physically. This is where the trouble is coming. We have seen it in two states. So it is like, I mean, there is no problem in there's always group mechanism has to be there, doesn't matter, I mean, doesn't have to be. So going for individual, it may be good, going for digital, it may be good. But what we are seeing that there is a shift in the market. How this shift is working, like, is it like once again reversing or it is going on? So we have to understand the thing in a detailed way for greater insight. Like South India being with South, and there may be one thing that if it is your BC, they are more technology oriented or they are adopting more technology for the repayment. If it is not BC, there may be a difference. I mean, it may be different from the BC's operation. I mean, I'm not sure about this one, but I'm seeing this mixed responses. Orientation of the leader. Hmm. So they do not push for individuals. Federal Bank, BC. No. A model. Okay. It's good if it is working, and it has not to be like if it is working in Tamil Nadu, it doesn't mean it will work in Punjab. There may be difference, but it is good that wherever we are seeing this, your seat is happening, it should be for the good. Like in UP, we went there inside, this little bit inside. We have seen that one. That they were telling, sir, हमें तो अभी 4 बार आना पड़ता है ईडी की चलते चक्कर में. So that's also the story. But anyway, it's good, and it is also good that we got a lot of masalas in our this discussion. And take second. हेलो. हाँ, मैं कॉल किया एयरपोर्ट में. आपको कोई ये देकर गया है चेकबुक? हाँ. हाँ, तो मैं सोचा कि आपको शायद नहीं मिला होगा, मुझे वो गलत बोल के गया. अच्छा, मैं जब जाऊंगा मुझे दे देना. ओ, हाँ ठीक. हाँ ठीक. जस्ट गिव मी ओनली. हेलो. हाँ, वो मेरे घर में जाइए तो वो फोन से नहीं होगा. Yesterday I forward. No, I will send it better. Can you give it to me? I need other with meeting. I need to meet. Okay. Sorry, back to where it forward. No. These people, these government people, they will be asking 10,000 data points, and after that they won't be doing it. But anyway, ठीक है. So it was good to talk to you people, and please keep on updating each other at what is going on. Because I mean, your this NBFC MFI segment, it is basically more or less strategized, but lot of other things which are in the market, it needs to be revised properly to make this environment conducive. One was data is your uploading. one institution, they have sent us a mail that there is nowhere written that under Section 8 company cannot be accessing the data, cannot be specified user. So I need to check that one also, but because Credit Information Bureau, they have already released it. Talking to them, I will keep on updating you what is the status. And apart from that, please do update what is going on the field, what is going on in the space of this your sector development side. Thank you very much for your time. Let us work together.
We'll do a lot of good things.
And
And it's always
Thank you,
good to
sir.
work with you people. It's always good. I really appreciate
that
to get this opportunity to work with you people. You have been amazing. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.